You just told him to meet me.
Oh my god. I thought you said we'll meet him in like a few minutes. You said told him to meet you in like your playroom. But it doesn't matter. Okay, who
I'll
can
go
jump the
first.
highest? Who can jump the highest?
Cheese challenge. Who can jump the highest?
Ready?
Go first.
I want to see also. Can I try to see if my eyes are open when I'm sneezing? I'm gonna try that. Whoa! Can I do one more? Can I do one more? I was fail.
No.
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 What?
No.
I was just testing it
You
out.
gotta turn.
I had 2 sneezes. I'm gonna just do it. Shoo!
Okay, now it's your second. Ready?
Shoo!
Now, my last one.
Shoo!
I declare you.
Ha ha. Bye. Bye bye.